Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This time I want to share how to make a snack that was viral among the public. That is Tahu Bulat. Surely most of you already know and maybe you have eaten too. Well, this is a low budget snack and the ingredients are easy to find and how to make it is not difficult. So let's keep watching the video until finish, guys. Firstly, we prepare 5 thin white tofu, then 3 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 teaspoons of powdered broth, and salt, and chili powder. I use the Bon Cabe brand. And the last is cooking oil. When all the ingredients are ready, go ahead and make it. Okay. First, destroy the tofu until smooth, like this. Then when it is destroyed, we prepare a clean cloth to filter the water. After that, we put all of the ingredients into the tofu. Mix while need to soften the tofu mixture. After all the mixture has been mixed, form the dough into round by hand and the size is according to taste. Then put into a container and close tightly. And leave the dough about 3 to 4 hours. After 3 hours, add the cooking oil with heat medium. Fry the dough about 10 to 15 minutes. After the color of the dough of tofu become brown, remove and drain. Okay, after the tofu is ripe, I mix it with chili powder so it tastes better. Well, if you want to add what you want, you can add say sauce according to what you want. Finally, round tofu by me is ready to eat. It is very delicious to eat when relaxing, watching TV or wherever you want. Simple and delicious, right? Okay, this is video from me. Hope it's useful and